Hi, Andrew from datacloud365. If you're watching this, you're probably interested to see how to manage a client environment as a managed service. So first up, what we're going to do is log into the interface. It takes a few seconds to come up, but once we're in there, you can see the layout of the administration interface. Up here on the right hand side you can see that I have an icon or a tile called All Domains. If I click on here, I'm able to go in here and manage the domains for the client. So I can register a new domain, transfer domains, add new subdomains. I can also from this interface handle A records, C records and MX records. Go back to the desktop now. You can see I also am able to register or apply SSL certificates to the environment. The purpose of this interface is to allow you, the service provider, to manage the environment with all its aspects. So you can see that we have the Sharepoint, where I'm able to manage the user credentials and the document permissions. I have the Exchange tile, which if I click on, it'll cruise into that. And from here I can manage distribution lists and contact lists and get my storage reports out of here. Going back to the demo, you can see I have an icon for add new service user. We'll go into that a little bit later. I can also manage the hosting of the website from this interface also. Moving on to billing, I have the store where I can purchase more licensing and subscriptions. I can see which subscriptions I already have and manage my account and my financial information and pay bills and that type of thing. Moving over to the tools, I have a backup agent, so I can manage the enterprise backup, which includes the Exchange mailboxes, the SQL databases and the website. I have Spam Experts interface for the administrator, which allows me to manage the whitelists. I can see stats and analysis on my website visits. I also have the ability to upload a database straight into this. There's a VPS sitting behind there where I can add a new SQL database or a MySQL database and host this all within the same management interface. I have backups where I can go in there and see what backups I've created. And my customization as well for this interface. So if we get started, what we're going to do is create a new user for the environment. So I need to add a new service user. Once we're in here, we're presuming that we've already purchased a new package for this. I need to put in the person's name, give them an email address at this domain, create their password, and select which items I'm going to push down to their desktop. And then I just go through next, and this will allow me to set the relevant administrator access or just user access for that user. And that's pretty much it done. I'll take you into the store firstly, which we should have gone into before, and you can see that I'm able to purchase more SQL database space. I can add an additional website, and I can create a new subscription for the hosted 365 desktop. And that's pretty much it. We also have our application vault, which allows us to push down various applications to those users as well. This includes some standard ones that are included in the interface for free, WordPress, Joomla, Sugar CRM, and by clicking on those and applying them, they will be pushed down to each of the users' interface. We can also go to apsstandard.org, where there's around 300 applications that are available. The users or the administrator of the site can go in here and test these various applications, which range from ERP, CRM, project management, etc., accounting software. Trial them. If you like them, then we can push those down to the desktop as well. So you can see that it's a very, very full, all-encompassing desktop that allows you as the service provider to manage the client's environment for them, managing their backups, their web hosting, their database hosting, adding users, adds, moves and changes. The whole lot's built in here.